Okay, so I'm going to be doing, I mean, I've already done it, but it's this thing, TShark here. I don't want to reset it. Like, one thing you got to be careful is, like, if you have the answers to the room and then you reset it, like, copy all the answers before you reset a room, because I was watching one video of someone's, well, anyway, so, here is, okay, so I guess I'll copy the answers into the Google Doc. Let's see. There's nothing there that's important. Answer. So I can that. 38, 6. And set progress. Okay. Say complete. How many packets are in the DNS.cat file? I downloaded it as, I guess I can open up a new terminal here and demonstrate it. It's DNS16, this one. So do TShark -R. And then you can see they're numbered, so there's 38, or you can do like that. So you get 38. How many A records are in the capture, including responses? Okay, so you do -y, whoops, -y DNS dot query dot type equals 1. See that, and then you can do that. So there's 6. Which A record was present the most? Okay. So you can see here, we want this field, and then you can get unique with count, and then you can sort numerically, and then you can get the top one with head. So here's the answer. Okay, and then there's another one, DNS exfil, how many packets are in this capture? So do TShark -R DNS, and you can see there's 125, or you can use word count. How many DNS queries are in this PCAP? If you look at the hint, you do a filter -y DNS.flags.response equals 0, and then how many lines is that? 56. What is the DNS transaction ID of the suspicious queries in hex? It's this 0xbeef one. So I don't know if there's a way to, well, yeah, this is basically it. What is the string extracted from the DNS queries? Okay, so for this one, and this is a hard one, or I had some carrot in my mouth. You see it has like MZWG. It's basically this big string. One way to get it is I think with ChatGPT, I asked it, I said, what is the string? So the question is, what is the string extracted from the DNS queries? The answer format is, and then this guy, there's this tutorial that I was using, said, I have to admit this one tripped me up a bit. I searched through the commands included in Task 2's lessons, searched online for a command to find it, and then realized the answer was staring right at me through the results used by the second command above. You should see two sets of letters running throughout the results. Don't worry about the A, that is the DNS record type. Pay attention to the second set of random letters. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a method easier than just copying those out by hand into the answer box. So I gave it this guy's hint, and then I copied the whole output of TShark to ChatGPT, and it looked through the data, and it was like, it gave me this string. There's one other way that you can do, which is if you open the file, well, maybe do file close. Okay, so if you open the DNS exfil and Wireshark, and then you do follow UDP stream, you'll get this, and then pick one of the streams. So like this one, which you might want, I think you want this one. And so copy all of it, and then if you go into maybe I'll make a new file, call it TShark 002.txt. If you paste into here Alt-Z to wrap lines, and then you replace all examples of whoops, I didn't get the M. I still didn't get the M. Okay, there. So replace, and this is basically the empty string. So we're going to get rid of that, and then replace all dots with nothing, and then you'll get this. So that's a reliable way to get the answer. And then for the last part, what is the flag? It's, and I didn't figure this out, but the guy in the tutorial said it's base 32 encoded. So you echo this and then do base 32 decode, and you get this. It's it's saying flag, this is tough without TShark. I mean, TShark, Wireshark, you can use different networking tools. Yeah, so that's about it. And I might want to, I don't know, so I'll X out this second tab, and maybe I'll delete this demo one, because Well, actually, let me try to permanently delete it. Yes. Okay. Just doing some cleanup here. Close.